Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to insert a demo license for Building Operation Workstation 3.2. To do this, you first need to start by searching for Schneider Electric Ecostuxure on your computer. Then, after searching for Schneider Electric Ecostuxure, you should open the License Administrator for Building Operation 3.2 by double-clicking it. Once the License Administrator is open, you should click the plus button on the License tab, and then click on the down arrow. After that, select Add License from File. After that, you need to select the demo license file. Remember that the file should have the extension ASR. Once the license is uploaded, you will see another tab open, which will say Restart the license server to finish license update, with options below it to Restart Now and Restart Later. You should select Restart Now. After that, your license will be uploaded, and then you should click OK. If you liked this video, please be sure to like and subscribe to my channel.